Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all liked videos you have ever liked on Facebook. For example, if you want to delete any of the videos or all of the videos you have ever liked on Facebook, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply click on settings here, and after that you have to simply go to general. In general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have simply search for the Facebook app, and after searching for the Facebook, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, you have to simply open the Facebook app from here. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for the profile section here. In profile section, you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of activity log. So in activity log, you will find all of the activities you have performed on Facebook, like Facebook activity. You can also find here. So here you have to simply click on that arrow, and you will find the option of comments and reaction. So if you click on the arrow again, then there will be option available likes and reactions. So here you have to simply click on that. So now here all the like videos and posts will be shown here. So you have to simply click on all, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on recycle bin, and here you can simply see that your selection not be saved if you leave now. So you have to simply click on continue. So here you can simply see that all of your videos will be sent to the recycle bin. And after, if you want to delete from the recycle bin, then you can simply provide your password, and after providing the password, your videos will be permanently deleted from your Facebook. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.